is Jamaican.
Music.
This sounds like a Jamaican song. My cat is Jamaican. I love Jamaica. My mom might be Jamaican. Her grandparents were in Jamaica. Because I am a maker. Yeah, I'm the best. Fiji deodorant in my chest. Gold chain on the plane.
Purchase your tracks today.
I just talked to the plane driver. We almost crashed because he wasn't fast. Yeah. There's literally a car on the plane. I just hopped in the car. It almost fell off the plane. Yeah.
Music.
I'm just as good as Michael Jordan was. Dunking on 10 feet like I am a hizzy huzz. Yeah, I have a Lamborghini in my driveway. Yeah, my cat is Jamaican. Yeah. I have so much shoes. My dad told me to sell them. Not really, I just make up stuff. I don't cap in my raps because I'm him. I am that guy, I'm that guy. I can dunk on 10 feet like I am Jamaica. Michael Jordan is my grandpa. Michael Jordan has a mansion, just like my grandpa. Yeah. Lil Uzi Vert, it's who I am. I'm Lil Uzi Vert's grandpa, who eats ham. I love ham and I cannot lie. I literally cannot lie. Jamaica is not a guy. It's a country or state, I don't know. I'm on a date with Jamaica. I love ham. I love ham. I love ham.